Good morning students, welcome in our GK class. Today our topic is multiplication. Yes, our topic is multiplication. Ma'am, what are you saying? We know how to multiply two numbers or three numbers. So don't laugh. It's interesting topic and you will get short tricks to multiply two or three numbers with each others. So let's start our topic, multiplication. I will tell you two tricks in this video. You have to practice that tricks to make your speed fast. Okay, look at the examples and try to understand these short tricks. Suppose I have taken 95 multiplied by 96. It is my question and you have to solve it. So first step is that you have to subtract both the numbers from 100. When you subtract 96 from 100, you will get 4. That 96 is less than 4 than 100. And when you subtract 95 from 100, you will get 5. Okay, first step is that. You have to multiply these two numbers now. 5 4s are 20. After that, when you multiply 5 and 4, you will get 20. And when you subtract 95 minus 4, you will get 91. And when you subtract 96 minus 5, you will get the same 91. So answer will be 9120. Means 9120 is your answer. Now I am checking the answer with your perfect method which you have learned in your maths class. I want to multiply into 95 into 96. 6 5s are 30, 0, 3 carry, 9 6 are 54, 54 plus 3, 57. You are using the same method and this method is very known to you. 9 5s are 45, 4 carry, 9 9s are 81, 81 plus 4, 85. So answer will be 0, 5 plus 7, 12, 2, 1 carry, 5 5 10 and 1 1. Same answer is there. And tell which is time consuming method. Of course this one is time consuming method and you have to practice for this method. Now take one or two more examples to explain you better. Suppose I have taken 91 and I want to multiply by 97. Okay, the same first process was you have to subtract both the numbers from 100. 97. When you subtract it from 100, you will get 3. When you subtract 91 from 100, you will get 9. 9 multiplied by 3, it's 27. And when you subtract 91 minus 3, 91 minus 3 is 88. Okay. 97 minus 9, 88. So your answer is 8827. 8827 is your answer. You can check it either on calculator or on by your traditional method you can do it. Okay. Now take some complex numbers to solve so that you can clear that all the numbers you can do it. On all the numbers you can apply this method. I am taking 87 multiply by 95. Okay, first step, the same step is there. Subtract 95 from 100, you will get minus 5. And when you subtract 87 from 100, you will get 13. 13 5s are. Have you learned the table? At least up to 25 tables I think you have to learn. 13 multiplied by 65, that is 65. Clear now? Now subtract 87 minus 5, it's 82. And when you subtract 95 minus 13, it's also 82. So your answer is 82. And 82 6 5, 8,265 your answer. You can practice this type of questions. Okay. Now one more example in which I have to add them instead of subtraction. Let's take an example 105 multiplied by 109. Okay. Now it's both the numbers are greater than 100. So you have to, first step is same. You have to subtract 100 from this number, that is plus 9. And when you subtract 100 from this, that is plus 5. 9 multiplied by 5, 45. And 105 plus 9, 114. 109 plus 5, 114. So answer is 11445. That means 11,445 is your answer. I think it's clear to you. It was your first short trick to solve multiplication and you have to practice it. And now come on the other trick. Now I am telling you second trick. Okay, it was my first trick which I have told you and you have to practice. Now I am telling you second trick. I have taken example, I want to multiply suppose 73 into 87. Both are 2 digits number. Okay, you have to make a block, 2 by 2 block, means 2 columns and 2 rows, because I am having 73 and put 73, 87. Clear? Now make diagonals in between the block. Now multiply. 3 sevens are 21, 2 1 21, 3 eights are 24, 8 sevens or 7 eights are same 56, 7 sevens are 49. Now add the diagonals. 1, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 9 15, 5, 1 carry, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 6 9, 9 plus 4 13, 3, 1 carry. 5 plus 1, 6. So answer will be 6, 3, 5, 1. Okay. Take one more example of this method. Now take one more example for this trick. That is suppose 97 multiply 35. Okay. Again 2 numbers are there, 2 digits are there. So make block of 2 by 2. 97, 35. Now put diagonals. Now multiply. 7 5s are 35. Each block will consist of single value only. And you cannot leave a single block. 7 3s are 21. 9 5s are 45. 9 3s are 27. Now add them diagonally. 5. 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 1 5 9. 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 4 13, 3, 1 carry, 2 plus 1 3. That will be your answer. You can check. Now question arises, ma'am, by this method we can multiply only 2 by 2 numbers, 2 by 2 digits number? No, you can multiply more than 2 digits number also. You have to make block according to number. Let's take that example 115 multiplied by 102. Suppose I have taken this number. Now you have to make 3 by 3 block. 1, 2 and 3 blocks, 3 columns. 1, 2 and 3 columns. Okay, 1, 1, 5, 1, 0, 2. It doesn't matter if you will write this number here and this number. It doesn't matter. I make diagonals now. Make diagonals carefully. All the points should be met. I have made all the diagonals. Now fill these boxes by multiplying. 5 2s are 10. 5 multiplied by 0, 0. Put 2 zeros because 2 boxes are there. 5 1s are 5. Put 0 here. 1 1s are 1. 1 0 0. 1 2s are 2. 0. 1 1s are 1. 1 0 0 0. 1 2s are 2. Okay, now add them diagonally. 0, 2 plus 1 3, 5 plus 2 7, 1, 1 and 0. This 0 is not countable, so you can remove it and your answer is this one. Please check. Is it okay? Okay. That is the second trick which I have told you. Now I will tell you one more trick. In third trick, it is just similar like your traditional trick which you have learnt in your previous classes for multiplication. Just try to understand. Maybe it is some little bit typical for you to learn. Suppose I want to multiply 45 by 87. Okay. So you write 45 multiplied by 87. Now you have to follow one diagram. This pattern you have to remember for two numbers, two digits number. Okay. First you multiply these two numbers. That is, okay, 7 5s are 35, 5 and 3 carry. Okay. Now you will multiply it by cross and add them. 7 4s are 28, 7 4s are 28, 8 5s are 40. 40 plus 28, 68. 68 plus 3, 69, 70, 71, 1. And now again this, 1 and 7 is carried. 8 4s are 32, 32 plus 7, 39. That will be your answer. It is little bit typical. You have to need more practice for it. Let's take one more example to get understand. 97 multiplied by 15. Okay, say 97 multiplied by 15. I have told you, you have to remember that pattern for multiplying. 7 5s are 35, 5. 3 carry. I have written here 3 carry. Now multiply this in cross. 7 1s are 7. 9 5s are 45. 45 plus 7, that is 52. Okay. 52 plus 3, 55, 5 carry. 9 1s are 9, 9 plus 5, 14. That is your answer. That is the other way to solve. Don't be panicked, no need to learn all the tricks. Just practice on the easiest tricks and make your speed fast for the maths paper, maths exam or any competitive exams. You have to require to solve them. Use this technique. Okay. Now with this video I am sending you a worksheet which is about of multiplication. So do honestly and observe your time, that how much time you are taking. I will send you 15 questions for maths and you have to solve within 20 minutes, maximum within 20 minutes. Okay. Thank you.